Hey everyone, I can hear you there. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nate, and welcome back. And today's video is matcha. Matcha. For some people who want something a little bit more off the coffee thing and something a little bit more tea and other stuff, something like matcha would be great for somebody who wants to drink coffee. And I'm just showing you the basics how to make some matcha. You can grab any matcha powder if they sell a bunch of different kinds of matcha on the internet or stores. I'll grab 1.5 teaspoons of matcha powder. And I already prepared and had prepared some hot water. I'm not gonna put too much of water. I want to mix it all up. And there's different ways you could mix up a matcha. You could buy one of those little wooden stirring, one of those wooden trying to think of the name of it, and one of the wood things you could shake and mix up your matcha. I don't exactly own one of those, but eventually I will. I'm going to be using the milk frother. It'll probably do the trick, does to me. And just frothing just enough to be nice and frothy with bubbles. Nice layer of it on top. That'll probably be enough. And after you do this, you want to put any syrups in there, like vanilla syrup or any other kind of syrup you want, something to sweeten up your matcha, or you can drink it plain. I'm gonna drink it plain. Good. And there's different ways of, you could put more water into it, or you could leave it like this much and put any kinds of milk you do. Next, I'm going to be doing milk. I already prepared it, heated up already. I'm going to add a little bit more water into it. Water into it. Should soften it up a little bit more. And I already heated up the milk. You can use different kinds of milk, like whole milk or plant-based milk. I'm using whole milk. And I'm gonna just froth using my froth whisk my milk. I'm gonna make a nice foamy foam milk. Froth. after you're done, like so, just pop it out like this. So, there's different ways you can heat up your milk. You can steam your milk, or you can microwave your milk, or you can use one of those little small pots and put it on top of your stove and heat it up. Make sure it'll steam and you see a little bit of bubbles in, and it means it's done. And you overcook it, you overburned it, your milk. Now I'm gonna pour my milk. Have a nice bubble. Have a nice head. Nice head with the little green around with the foam white in the middle. Very good for anyone who likes matcha and all that. Who likes matcha? I'm sorry. For matcha. And that will be it for today, the video. And sorry I haven't made a video for a while. I've been trying to figure it out how to make videos. Try to do all stuff. I'm new at this. I'm not a professional YouTuber, and I hope you can be patient for this one. Please like this video and subscribe, and please hit that notification button so you don't miss I try to make new videos. Sorry, sometimes I try to say things and it comes out saying weird. And please let me know in the comment section. Throw me some ideas of what videos you want me to do and what videos you want me to make for you. Anything to coffee, tea, food, or other stuff. I could, sew or pet a chick, or I could pet my chicken, or do anything. And I hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it, and have a good afternoon. Bye.